Hey y'all, on today's episode we are going to make crab stuffed shrimp. Guys, this recipe is perfect for Valentine's Day. You can serve it as an appetizer or you can serve them the way I'll be serving them today, which is over dirty rice. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Here are my jumbo shrimp. They're already clean and deveined with the tail on. So what you want to do is grab a knife and we are going to butterfly these shrimp and make sure you don't go all the way in. We're just going to slowly cut into the shrimp and it should look like this. And go ahead and continue the same process for the rest. After butterflying your shrimp, go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on top. Season with some garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, some lemon pepper, smoked paprika, and some garlic powder. Make sure your shrimp is well seasoned. Now for the crab meat stuffing, add some mayo into a bowl, some Dijon mustard, Old Bay seasoning, lemon pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and some onion powder. Give that a mix. Add your crab meat. Add some dry parsley and your breadcrumbs. Okay, go ahead and give that a mix. After mixing everything together, it should look like this. This is perfect. Now let's stuff our shrimp. As you can see, I have my cast iron here. You can also use an oven-safe skillet. Now grab your shrimp. Place about a tablespoon on top of it. So it should look like this. And we're going to continue the same process for the rest. This is how they're looking after I'm done stuffing them. So now we're going to stick this in a 400-degree oven and bake for 10 minutes. Now we're going to make a lemon butter sauce. I have a stick of butter in this bowl. Add some garlic powder, lemon pepper, add some dry parsley. Now go ahead and melt this in the microwave. My crab stuffed shrimp is ready, guys, and it smells so good. I have my lemon butter here that I love to just drizzle on top before serving. And as you can see, my dirty rice in the center. This looks absolutely delicious and I cannot wait to enjoy it. Take a look, guys. Wow. Some of my dirty rice. That is amazing. If you guys want the recipe for the dirty rice, I'll go ahead and leave it up here for you. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.